Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering and prepping both devices. Charge the Beats and unlock your iPhone. On the iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so it stays on and discoverable. Now press and hold the Beats power button. You need the LED to flash indicating pairing mode. Doing this creates the wireless handshake. Once the LED blinks, your phone can find the headphones. This step ensures the devices share the correct pairing state and avoids ghost connections. Once the Beats are in pairing mode, look under Other Devices on your iPhone's Bluetooth screen and find Beats Solo 3. You tap the name to start the pairing, the phone sends a wireless request and the headphones accept it. Make sure you allow any prompts that appear. This authorizes audio and control features. Once done, the Bluetooth status should change to connected or paired. If you see that, play audio to confirm both sound and inline controls work as expected. After connection, close Settings and play music to verify sound quality. You want to test volume, pause, and track skip controls. If audio doesn't route correctly, open Control Center and select your Beats under Audio Output. Make sure the iPhone is sending to the right device. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the headset by holding Power plus volume down until LEDs blink, then repeat the pairing flow. This reset clears previous pairings and often resolves invisible software conflicts. So try it before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.